Okay, today is tomorrow. We start fresh in the morning. Today we will be seeing continuation of the work from where we left off yesterday. Now, this is becoming a video series. In part 2, we saw waterproofing of the ice splice on the wire rope that was done in part 1. Here we see the process of undoing, unknitting. I don't know if that's a word. Unweaving. I don't know the correct term to use here. Anyway, the braided strands of the outer nylon rope have to be undone. All 16 strands of the plaited section up to the 8 feet mark will be carefully unknitted like this. Here you will see why I keep saying this is painstakingly slow work. There's nothing much to explain here. There, we see coming closer to the 8 feet mark. As we go up higher, the slower it becomes as longer lengths of the strands have to be pulled out and separated. Okay, we are done with the undoing of the braiding. Now taking it downstairs to be laid out. Clean up the floor area because the fine filaments of nylon used in this rope will easily hook up shreds of metal, wood, glass, I don't know, anything that is pointed or has the slightest roughness to its surface. Temporarily fasten this point of the rope like this. Next, insert a thimble into the eye splice in the wire rope so as to tension up this length of the rope section while making sure the force is spread across a large area along the eye splice. Once the rope is pulled and taut snug, slide back all the slack up to the point where the eye splice in the wire rope finishes. Now, this is what we call milking, slowly sliding back the slack that we created earlier at the beginning in the first part of the video series. After this, next comes a part difficult to explain in words. So I will end this video at this point and continue the next part where we will see a lot of such fondling of the rope as we see here. Only after seeing the next part will we be able to realize what my colleague here is trying to achieve. The next part is going to take long and will have to be watched carefully.